Welcome to your channel Maths for Graduates. Today we'll do the proof of change of scale property, or you may also call it scaling property. Okay, so according to this property, if Laplace transform of function f of t is f of s, then Laplace transform of f of at will be 1 over a f of s over a. Okay, that means if this t gets multiplied by a, then its Laplace transform will be 1 over a f of s over a. Okay, so let's prove this property. So it is given that Laplace transform of f t is f of s, then we have to show that Laplace transform of f of a t is 1 over a f of s over a. Okay, that means we have to find Laplace transform of f of at. Okay, so let's find Laplace transform of f of at. Okay, so by definition, Laplace transform of f of at will be integration from 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st, and function is f of at. Okay, into dt. Okay, now substitute this at with p. Okay, so substituting at equals to p. Okay, now differentiate this equation. So on differentiating, we have a dt equals to dp. Okay, now substitute t with p and dt with dp. Okay, so on substituting, we have integration e raised to minus s p over a, and f, this at will be p. Okay, and this dt will be dp over a. Okay, using these two equations. Okay, and here in this equation, limits are for the variable t. Okay, and here variable is p. So for variable p, limit will be when t equals to 0, when t equals to 0, p will be 0, and when t equals to infinity, p will also be infinity. Okay, so we have integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus s p over a f of p dp, and taking this constant 1 over a outside the integration sign. Okay, so 1 over a. Okay, so when you compare it with the definition of Laplace transform, you will see in this equation variable is p, and in this equation variable is t. Okay, and in place of s we have s over a. Okay, so this integration will be 1 over a into f of s over a. Okay, that means we have Laplace transform of f of at is 1 over a f of s over a. Okay, now let's solve a problem on this property. So we have a problem here. It is given that Laplace transform of sine of t over t equals to tan inverse 1 over s. Then we have to find Laplace transform of sine at over t. Okay, now if I assume this function as f of t, okay, and here in this function you can see here we have at. Okay, but this function is not f of at yet. To make this function f of at, we must have to multiply a in numerator and a in denominator. Okay, that means Laplace transform of sine at over at, we have to make this function f of at. So multiplying a in numerator and a in denominator. Okay, now taking this constant a outside this Laplace transform. Okay, so this will be a Laplace transform of sine at over at. Okay, now this function is f of at. Okay, so its Laplace transform will be, we have a here, so this will be a, and Laplace transform this function will be 1 over a f of s over a. Okay, and f of s is what? This function is f of s. Okay, so we have f of s is tan inverse 1 over s. Okay, so from this equation f of s over a will be what? It will be tan inverse 1 over s over a. So this equals to tan inverse a over s. Okay, so putting the value of f of s over a, so this a can be cancelled out, so we have f of s over a. Okay, and f of s over is what? Tan inverse s a over s. Okay, so this is the Laplace transform of sin at over t. Okay, so this video ends here. I hope you have learned how to use this scaling property. If you have really learned something from this video, then show support by subscribing the channel and also press the bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching.